Hello guys, welcome to Digital Dex. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get this futuristic taskbar on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Ensure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share it with others who might find it helpful as well. So without too much further ado, let's get started with the main point of this video. Ensure you have active internet connection and you have a browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening your Google Chrome, ensure you type in rounded TB and then hit enter. So in the search result, the second result from majorgigs.com is what you're going to click on. Then you click on download at Major Gigs or any of the download at Major Gigs. So after clicking on them, it's going to automatically have it downloaded to your device. So as you can see, it's downloading. So it has downloaded. I've already downloaded it before. So I'm going to open and then extract this. You right click on it and then hit extract all. In my case, I use WinRAR, so I'm going to say extract to rounded TB. So as you can see, it has extracted here. So I'm going to copy this folder right here. Let's say, okay, copy. I'm going to copy it to my local disk because this is like an installed folder already. So I'm going to paste it right here in the program file folder. Just extract this so I have more space to click. Okay, paste, continue. So you double click on rounded TB and then scroll down to where you see rounded TB right here, which is the launcher or the application. You double click on it to open. So it's going to load for the first time. You have to wait for some time and then agree all this by clicking on OK. So after clicking on OK, as you can see, it has already affected the settings right here. You can see the edges of my taskbar taking shape. By default, it uses 3 as the margin and 7 as the corner radius. So this is what this does. Corner radius, how round the edges are, but I prefer 7 because it matches the edges of my computer more. And this is the margin. You can see like how thin it gets. So the margin at 3, it's good. The margin at 3 is good for me. And in the advanced, you click on advanced and then select transculent compatibility. And then, yeah, I think just select transculent compatibility. And you can decide to show system tray, so whenever you click here, you get to see it and you can access it easily as this. And you can also disable it as well. So in my case, I always show system tray and then apply. Apply. Okay, for it to always run as startup, all you have to do is head over to the taskbar icon by clicking on this to expand. Then you head over to rounded TB icon and then right click on it and then select run at startup. So this means whenever you power off your computer and turn it on, it's going to turn on automatically, affecting all the changes. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.